So you're thinking about forming a new business venture, and you've got several options: a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, or a limited liability company. When you form your new company as a sole proprietorship, it's just you. All the profits go to you, all the losses go to you, and all the liabilities go to you. So I don't typically recommend a sole proprietorship for a new business venture. The second option you've got, and as soon as you take on a partner, it's important for you to consider this, is partnerships. There's general partnerships, limited partnerships, and limited liability partnerships. As soon as you have a partner, more than one person, you're in a partnership under the law. In general, each one of those expose all of the partners to personal liability for all of the losses and liabilities of the company. So for the most part, I don't recommend a partnership to people starting new business ventures as well. The third form of business entity that you can form is a corporation. This is a very commonly used business entity for forming all sorts of new companies in California. A corporation, unlike a partnership and a sole proprietorship, is a separate legal entity, separate and apart and completely different than its owners. It allows for easy investment in the company, and it allows for sharing equity with the employees of the company as well. And if you structure the company correctly, it can also help you minimize the tax burden on both the company and the shareholders themselves. The fourth type of business entity that you may wish to form is a limited liability company. A limited liability company is the most flexible form of business entity that exists today. It's a cross between a corporation and a partnership. It provides the protections against liability that everybody wants in a corporation with the flexibility of management that everybody likes in a partnership. So those are your four options. A sole proprietorship, which I do not recommend because it doesn't allow for easy investment and it saddles you with complete personal liability for all of the losses and liabilities of the company. A partnership, which I also don't recommend because even though it's easier to invest in, it also doesn't protect you from personal liability. A corporation, which I frequently recommend for the right kind of company because it provides you with protections against personal liability and allows you to raise money relatively easily and share the equity of the company with high-performing employees. And a limited liability company, which is really the best of all worlds. It provides you with the personal liability protections of a corporation and the ease of investment of a corporation and the flexible management structure of a partnership. If you'd like to learn more about these different forms of business entities, click on the link below to see the table that we've prepared comparing each of these types of business entities across several different factors, and contact us at Finkel Law Group for a consultation.